Hello dear, welcome to this Android TBL means task based learning with Java. Total whatever the practical sessions will be going on, it's based on Android Studio 4.0. So this time deal with the skill. In this task we are going to deal with the skill of component switch and image view and according to the listeners. So task to do or task to perform, it is bulb should be on while switch is on, means bulb on image should be set inside the image view, and bulb should be off while switch is off. Bulb off image should be set inside the image view. So text and background color should be changed accordingly, and this is the task. And you have to use view binding also. So this task exactly which will be look like this video. If switch is on, then bulb image is on, and text is accordingly changed also, and background also will be changed. So I think that this is the practical you have to perform. It is very easy, but mind well that why we are doing these things or task based learning system, because to boost up our skill of Android development program. So pause the video and perform your exercise, and after the completion of this exercise, play the video. Okay, I think you have completed your video or task session. So as per the Android guideline, upgrade your Studio to Android 4.0. We are using view binding because to replace the find view by IDs. So let's start Android task based learning with Java inside Android Studio 4.0. Example is the combination of switch and image view. So go to new project with empty activity, and for the view binding capabilities, just add inside the build.gradle file view binding enable true. Then design your main screen. We are going to design with one image view and one switch inside the constraint layout, and inside the main activity.java file do the coding accordingly. So let's do our solution of our task. Go to file, go to new project, click on empty activity, click on next, and demo underscore whatever the name you want to give. TBLJ means task based learning system of Java, task based learning, and I will write switch and image. So click on finish. All the stuff are ready over here. I'm going to build.gradle file and just type view binding enable equals to true. View binding, then enabled equals to true. So make sure your internet connection is on and just click on sync now button. After, there is no need to add find view by IDs for the component. So just 3 lines we need to write if we want to replace the find view by IDs. Then activity main binding, then initialize that variable binding, activity main binding dot inflate, then get layout inflator is here. Okay, press semicolon and just replace this set content view. So binding dot get root will be the line which replaces the set content view. So design the screen. We are going to design inside our activity underscore main dot xml. Just split the screen, and first I want to set the background. Before that, I have my bulb on image and bulb off image inside my support file. So just I copy this line, Control C, copy, and I paste to my drawable folder. So inside the res and drawable, just right click on it and paste it inside the drawable folder. So just I paste these two images. You can see bulb off image and bulb on image is there. So you can make it on your own from your repository. So going to build my screen activity underscore main dot xml. Just first I give the ID because I want to change the background accordingly. So that's why I give ID to my constraint layout, and this is the text view just click on it and I replace with the switch. So give the ID, whatever the ID you want to give. I want to give the ID name as an switch underscore on off. Then width will be, I want to make it 150 dp. Then wrap content is okay, but I on the initialization I make it off. So text color will be whatever the color you want to select, and text size will be 50 sp. So I don't want bottom to bottom of, just I remove this one, and left to left of it is okay, top to top of parent it is okay, but I want margin top of 50 dp. So, and make sure our currently given size is not regular or by default size whatever given. So this is the, I think you will get the knowledge of switch min width. Switch min width, if you want certain increased in the size switch, so you can type it switch min width, whatever the width you want to write, and it is not a normal switch of width of less than 50 dp. It is you can make it on your customized whatever the you want. Likewise this certain level of the larger switch than the default. Then just I want one image view. So image view width will be, I want to make it 200 dp and 200 dp for the rectangle purpose. And just first I close this down and give the ID, that at the red plus ID img underscore bulb. Okay, so left to left of parent, right to right of parent, I know that. Just copy this one and paste it over here, and I just remove this top to top of, I want to write top to bottom of whatever the switch is there. So switch on off is here. So our screen is ready. Very easily we have designed this screen. So it's very simple to design, and hardly you can find by this way. So just I close this one, and I am here inside the main activity.java file. So first what I do, first I makes one method to set the image on and off. So just I type public void set image, then resource, whatever the image you want to write. You know the boolean is the type in Java. So just I type condition, as per the condition we will do it. So you know that whatever the if condition we are writing, it is return type is boolean. So simply if we write the without the condition, you do not have to write condition equals to true, then whatever the file or whatever the execution part will be over here, because if itself boolean type is of condition. So condition is of boolean type, so that's why just we write if condition means if true, then what we want to do, I want binding dot img bulb dot set image resources, then r dot drawable dot whatever the on value is there. So okay, so binding dot switch on off, I want to set text also as per the relevant switch on off activity, and I want certain background also. Likewise if switch is on, then background will be certain gray type of, then I will set background color, and color is the particular android.graphics.color package. So color dot gray is color name, so just I type gray. So just I copy this one yes, and paste it. Just I remove this syntax, and else part is here. So it is off, and again it is off condition, and I want certain dark gray. So dark gray color is here. So after that writing of this image, you want to set whatever the on the condition basis, just I first I call on the off situation. So just I type at the initialization process set image resource equals to false. So another thing you have to remember, it is the listener set on check change listener is there. So binding dot switch on off dot set on check change listener is there. So new space and control space. So very easy task it is. So just core thing is about the logic, and you have to remember the listener and how you operate with the switch, image view, and text and background color. So currently is checked is return type, or if switch is on then it is true, and if switch is off then is checked will be false. So automatically all the things whatever we have written inside the logical part, it will be executed. So press shift F10. So all the code is ready. Accordingly, it is small task, but smaller tasks can boost your skill of Android development and listeners, and accordingly we can deal with the components, varieties of components, and combination of the component. So by default the bulb is off because we have written this line. So set image resource is false, and if you see this one, it is little bit larger than default. So if you make it on, then bulb image resource will be changed, and text also change, and background will be also changed. So very nice practical it is. So combination of switch and image view is a little bit hands-on task. Sure, your skill will be boosted. So if you are on the beginner stage, or you want to practice your or sharpen your skill of Android development, then these task-based learning system will be useful for you. So it's a Android task-based learning system, combination of switch and image view. Thanks for watching. Share your ideas in the comment, share with your friends, like this one, subscribe this channel, keep coding, be happy. Thank you very much.